Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, there is some follow-through buying after yesterday's USDA rally in corn and soybeans. Soybeans up about 15 cents at 15.02. Corn up about a penny, while wheat's up anywhere from 5 to 9 cents. Again, USDA lowered the soybean carryout for 2022-23 to 200 million bushels. This sort of a lower than expected crop. They tried to offset that by lowering crush 20 and exports 70. Weekly U.S. export inspections were lower than expected. This Thursday we get the new export sales data covering the last few weeks when the system was down. And that kind of gives us an idea of what export numbers are. Right now, Argentina soybean meal, and soybean oil prices are cheaper than U.S. and haven't seen any new China U.S. soybean sales announced on the daily forecast. So this kind of offers some resistance to the upside in the marketplace. And some people don't feel that prices are high enough to show ration demand that the USDA put out. Other people feel that the forecast of a big South American 2023 crop could limit the upside in futures. For the corn market, again, USDA dropped crop ratings 1% to 53%, good to excellent. 5% of the crop is harvested, and here again they lowered the corn crop combination of a lower the yield that the trade was looking for, but a little bit lower acres. USDA did lower feed, ethanol, and export to get to the carryout number that they forecasted. USDA also estimated that the world corn non-China U.S. production is going to be up 8 million tons. They only dropped Europe 1 million tons to 58, and some people are quite a bit lower than that. And they continue to show imports into Europe only up 2 million tons to 18.5. Some people think that'll be much higher. USDA also increased the Ukraine crop and shows exports at 13 million metric tons, but some people feel that it's still in question given the uncertainty if Russia will extend the safe export corridor deal after it expires in November. The wheat market, I think, was lower yesterday because the USDA raised world wheat production, especially in Russia. And I think some people feel that it's still a question mark at the pace of Russian wheat exports. Still, the net buyers are going hand to mouth worldwide because of concern about their economies. USDA still shows India exporting wheat despite the fact they're banning wheat and flour exports, and India announced they're going to ban future rice exports. So again, farmer not selling, USDA numbers positive, at least for beans and corn, and harvest is approaching in the U.S. Still dry in the southern plains, but next week could see a shower. Just like parts of Brazil could see rain next week. So we're watching all that closely.